I was a nanny for her for 4 years.
Why did she fire you?
I was having an affair with her husband.
That is a huge violation of trust. I probably would have done the same thing. And
I recently lost the father of my 2 young children. I treated Josie like she was family, and now I feel completely betrayed by her.
I took care of her children, the house. I cooked for them, I cleaned for them.
Sleeping with my husband nullifies all of that because that's unprofessional behavior.
But that did not stop me from loving and caring for your kids.
I don't believe I'm hearing this. She told me the day of his burial. I couldn't believe my ears. I was mortified, and I don't believe that she's pregnant with my husband's baby because she had a lot of boyfriends. I mean, we became good friends. She told me she was dating around a lot.
you cheated with a married man in his own house, in front of his wife, in front of his own kids, and you don't think that's unprofessional?
We were in love. We spent a lot of time together when Tracy was away to work. Me and the kids and Steven, it was really like a family.